Okay, this is the table. It's like pretty cool idea. So let's not. Okay. I don't really wanna waste some. Like actually gonna waste some money. Okay, this is what it looks like. I have a lot of money for coins of money, like a slime. So I'm actually needing to like have a toy slime or something. And also, not the slime, the tapestry. So I really wanted to make a tapestry, but look at the coin. You want to earn like this? You need your mom to add some coins, and she will give you this kind of much coins or something. But if you want to earn money instead, then just like actually just like why just like study hard and they will give you money. Also in December they will give you money. Watch this, guys. So I hope I get a Sabbath with me just for that. And I'm also gonna upload if we already have a Sabbath with me. But mom, oh my god, did you buy me a Sabbath with me? Oh my god, yes sir. Is it like beautiful? Oh yeah, so that's okay, mom. So my mom gave me a tapestry, but I will get it. Here, mom, that's here, mom.
So parang ang sinasabi ko po, kahit ano mangyari, basta magawa lang namin na maganda yung pyesa namin, panalo na po ang sa sarili namin.
Okay, I actually give it to my mother and it's so satisfying. So I gave it to my mom and she gave it back to me and she said no thanks. So I'm gonna part 2 for this. I'm just gonna turn this and face reveal. Okay, I hope you like this video and subscribe to me. Bye everybody, and this is gonna look like squishy. And it's just like good. Bye bye.